Hello teachers and students, how are you? I presented from quotes an article. All the article title is that implementation of database auditing by synchronized database management system. And content of this article, that means introduction. The rest that has introduction part from what's the article review, so the problem, objective, methodology, literature review, experiment of the paper, results of the paper, criticism of the paper, and the last was conclusion. So this content table. Introduction, that means what the database administrator must be better aware of procedure used to preserve business data as well as the standard of regulation that may be applied to data. And database auditing is capability for searching of the uses of data authority and resources high level. It's critical for the business to have ability to execute, analyze, and report from the production from information system and effective, efficient, and integrated of the manner. Data auditing is a vital part of data security and governmental regulatory compliance. Database administrator must be more knowledgeable about the method used to security corporate data as well as monitor and guarantee that efficient data security is in place. Database synchronization function permit data to be updated in the real time or on a regulate. If the data change, the condition may be used to provide auditing that records every database security as relevant and entirely auditing log on and log off. This initially categories of auditing required must be environmental auditing and captures all unsuccessful login attempt. Data definition languages auditing such as altering database schemas, tables, instruction is often used to some types of data. Auditing of data manipulation using data manipulation language operating is instruction including old and new values can be documented via auditing. Statement of the problem, that means how to study of the problem. That means auditing database systems. Database mistake caused was the different factors such as the database associated by other parties is the database. This research was rational models to use raw-based auditing data definition language activity on the business transaction taking onto account operation tables. This status, valid time, and kinds of operation. Business application lose track of company business operation due to lack of data auditing. Historical and temporary database data is required to develop auditing order to track operation and types of activities through time. Objective of study, that is general objective and specific objective. General objective, that is the general objective of the researchers to study understanding of the implementation of data auditing by synchronization database management system. Specific objective, that is to collect of data related system design, describe of the uploading of the data in database, describe the language used to database auditing, describe each methodology process with database auditing by synchronized database management system, show the result of implementation database auditing synchronization, and the last one, design database using platform scale. And methodologies that inform quite different methodologies with what are these researchers or these articles that inform quite how to study this or how to process this researcher. So this researcher methodology auditing may be done using relational database initially and semi-structured auditing with that relational database extension, and extension markup language in database, that is from what international business machine database, Oracle, and SQL servers. And the other method of that is synchronization. Synchronization is the implementation in the database exchange process in SQL database management system. It develops the synchronization engine that is from what schemas, real times, time new with data, modification and add existing database. Change transmission from the destination and recurring from what any new routes and the table auditing that corresponding transaction. Process of auditing, that auditing created by the creating from what engine synchronization which runs constantly on the source of system. The engine starts with the manipulation events happen in the existing database, such as where the user add a new data, edit, delete data, modification and delete some fields of this database. When the insert event happens, the engine will capture the data that was inserted and saving from what any recurring from what a database. And literally, that means a different database from what processing involving monitoring and recurring activities from what user database, auditing activities and database access from identify resolution data security concerns with from what as literature, and auditing raw, that means from what auditing systems for as a business activity operation tables merely keep of the currently value each one, and the other column based, that means auditing redundancy column raw based from what auditing except for the primary key, such as from what refers the historical column with primary key ID, that means from what historical column with the table. And synchronization of the table, that means synchronization function from what distribute, manipulate, host, cross computer networking irregularity from what real time depending of range time range. And synchronous database may be have business application run smoothly as well as distributed data from the variety of objects such as enhancing performance, commercial transaction from the decision making. And the other syndica that information system is village data management information system that can cover small operation in management regional data and the other topics. And data management system, that means data management system computer programs that performs data management tasks such as insertion, alternation, modification, updating, deletion, and the other obtaining data. These are from what the data management system. Data management system from what practical and fasting updating. Practical that is from what permanent data to storage media, that means from what they load the data. And fast, that means computer application can find, display requirement information quickly, accurately. Update, up to date, that information availability allows changing from quality. And you can experiment after this. The syndicate, that means database auditing solutions that was used to case study of village and regional information system, that is from what two tables, that means family table and operation table. Both are that means from what auditing processing. And study employees, that means modular based auditing based on the many types of currently auditing based system, carry out the processing auditing, that means from what employee tables auditing estimated from the present operating system. That means table auditing processing from what the value of column is tables which display the historical auditing lag time in begin time begin and time end. Implementation of the process from what the auditing, that means from what the synchronization. The result from what the accomplishment, that from what Syndica, from what this database synchronization, transmissive data change, auditing database testing is occurring of the data, family database from what as these results are placed tables ID family or 38 in the family row, and the results are inserted tables with presented 134 second row. Data inserted from what ID family 368 and population is from what resident 134 has been stored as a historical data population. And the other population update on the family tables are displayed in the row based values of family ID 30 88 68 has well result of updating population also updating. And data deleting from what the family with deleted, and the sentence from what also deleted. So this resulting criticism, that's the strength and the weakness. The strength that means so the information security arose from what authentication and authorization when the information system is used to business process. Log file are presently allowed to track of database system, log file primary goals, and the other database auditing option investigation transaction occurs is critical from what as the point. So that from what data definition language as such as sensors have been deleted from what the database close weakness. Getting from the data as data copy function from what simply with what stores, and the other from what one flow, not all database actions such as DCL, and DDL can be prolonged, that means data definition languages through synchronization. Conclusion, that this article is based on the researcher can be determined that from what auditing tables is to be isolated from the operation table. Then this is done in order to separate the transaction workload from that analytic workload. Then tables updating separately from the operation table. The database management system and database management system can be conducted faster than when the table is auditing the part. And database administration may be simply administered database management system. For this point from conclusion, thank you for the students and teachers.